Hey everyone, it's Brad and welcome to another Minimsite. This one can be yours and it's super easy to get set up and super easy to use. And I think you're going to really enjoy it if you're trying to sell a bunch of things and maybe you just don't have, maybe you just need one place to put everything so that, if you're selling on Marketplace or if you're selling on Reverb or, where all these different eBay, whatever, you can like kind of link to the same place that has more information than maybe they let you add on those different platforms because those have different restrictions and things, right? So, let's check this out and see how you can just show off all the stuff you're selling really easily with this website. And then the website's yours forever. And if you want to ever like upgrade to something else or something, you let me know. But yeah, then you have a website where you can show off stuff every time you sell it. So maybe this would be helpful for you. And let's take a look. You're gonna see you got like a nice slider. Show off some of your images right off the bat there. The nav is really simple. It's like home, browse, and contact. So you're not paying for a whole lot. So you're getting a very inexpensive website, which is really cool. And that's the goal of this is to be more inexpensive than it is to be super complicated. I'll show you. It's going to be really simple. Like even the sorting of categories is really simple. So first of all, you can show off some of your brands here that you might be selling just to get people's mouths watering. And then little introduction to like what you're selling and why. Then featured drum sets available here. And if you keep going down, you got to see all these different like little categories. And so you can choose how you want to filter these by what you want to filter these and how you want to filter these. They can be microphones or it can be up here. It's drum sets, so whatever you need. Let's keep going. And then each one of these has its own page. So if I click in to here, we want to learn about this mixer. Wow, we got all this cool stuff. Let me get my face out of the way. Like the amount, the condition it's in, and the price. I feel like those are all pretty standard things you'll need to show off. And then details about it. And there's a lot you can put in there. Then just some nice images, showing it off. You can click it, open it up, see them all the images here, right? Okay, keep going. And then at the end, it's basically like, hey, contact me if you're ready to buy something. This will take you to the contact page, which is also very simple. It's just email, text, done. Cool, simple. And then back on this page, similar items in case anybody's wanting to check out more stuff. So this is really easy to set up. Let me show you how it is in the back end. You're going to be like, no way. And how easy it is to edit. Not even the back end, but you'll see. It's really great. Oh, and down here we have like call, email in the footer, email, call, marketplace, and Minimsites. So if you needed this to be like eBay or something, let me know. I'll fix it. I'll take care of little things for you. So here we go. Check it out. Let's go back to, let's start with this. This is a good one. Let's go here to the Roland TD27. And then I'm going to show you what that looks like in the back end, okay? Because right here you're going to see all these things like condition, take note of that, and price. Now let's go over here. Here's the Roland TD27. Here's how we get to it, by the way. It's very easy to edit. And all we do to get here is we open up our website and you just go over here to, you'll be in the editor. So go to editing, go over here to collections and sale items, find the item, which is just Roland TD27. And now it's just a simple form and it updates that whole page. Real nice, smooth as butter. So here's the name of it. Okay, that's going to be the big title. Here's the sort order. You may not need. I might actually. That's kind of more for other things. You can just ignore that. About or the amount. If you're selling multiples, it'll tell you. Price, condition. There are different options here. Okay, that's important. So that's all connected right to here. Condition, price, name. Here's a little short description. That'll also be on the card. You can see that short description is right here. And then here's the description. All right, you can do links in here. It's great to link to different things for SEO. And yeah, so that also translates to this. So it's all styled nicely. All your headers, your listed items. Okay. So there's that. And then we got a photo gallery, which you can open and view, right? So that is as simple as just dragging images into here, okay? And you can reorder them if you need to, whatever you need to do. And then there's 2 videos at the end to show off your product even more if you need them. And if you don't add a video, it'll hide the whole section. So you just need to worry about adding what you need and not what you don't need. And super easy. So that's how we do that. And then let me show you how to edit the front end. Great, so now you're on the front end and you're in the editor up here in Webflow, and all you gotta do to edit this is, let's just make this really easy and just say, hey, you wanna edit these background images? Just send me 3 images and I'll put them up there, okay? It won't cost you anything extra, it's super simple. And then selling epic drums, okay, we wanna change this text to, yeah, you can do it. That's whatever you need, easy. Okay, boop. So changing text is really easy, just start typing away. Changing links is really easy. If you need a link to another page on the website or maybe a different link in general, that's totally fine. I'm going to keep this back here to the browsing page. And this is also a link. So if you click this, you'll see it's a link. You can link to wherever you need, but it's going to go to the browsing page as well. And you'll see when you're live and when the site's live, this only shows up when you get down here to these different items. So because it's not showing everything in the recording gear, right? So you need a little button that pops up that shows that you can go see everything else. So these are collection items, so you won't edit these here, but you just edit the text. I mean, it's really that simple. Like front end, it's that simple. Yeah, so that's all you do. And that's really all there is on this website. Very simple. Let's see if we go down here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any trouble with the footer or need anything changed in the footer, just let me know. It won't take long. But then there's the browsing page, and we need to know how to do our tags, like categories, all right? So how do categories work, right? Sounds hard? It's super easy. Get ready. Let's go over here to our browse page. So you'll see, and these will be hidden whenever on your website, but when you add a category to each one of these items, if it corresponds with the one over here, then it'll show it. It's that simple. So say you want to change teapots to, well, let's see, bananas. Okay, let's do that. Let's make the category needs to be bananas. You can see here we have bananas. Copy that. And you can change any of these or delete any of these. If you need my help, just let me know. Or at the end of the video, I'll show you how to delete these in case you have too many. And also how to copy and make new ones. Very easy as well. But first of all, let's take bananas. Let's go in here. We have categories. As long as we have a category called bananas, which we do, let's make sure it's spelled the same. Copy, paste. Great. Save that. Okay. So we got that. And then as long as we go and add that category, bananas, to a sale item, like this AKG Perception 120 is totally bananas. Woo. Well, there we go. So let's save that and see if it shows it when we publish it. I'm going to publish my site right now because you're not going to see these changes work. This is all custom code, and so it's not going to work until it's published. But take a look right now. All right, drum types. We need the bananas. There it is. Awesome. So it filters just like that. All right. So that's really the guts of how to edit your website, which is crazy because we just did that in like 12 minutes. But let's look at how to delete some of these just in case you need to. And you can always call me and ask me to do it as well if you need my help, because it won't take long, as you'll see. So what we can do is I can switch in here to the designer. And so we got to be careful we don't mess anything up, right? But no big deal. Say we don't want bananas anymore. Well, I'm just going to go in here, find that filter item, delete it. If you don't want any of these either, you want to delete the whole accordion, say filter accordion, delete, and you can just sort by acoustic and electronic and just publish your site that way. Oh no, you didn't mean to do that? Hit Command Z, bing, bing, and it's back to normal. Isn't that nice? So there we go, folks. That's it. That's how you edit the for sale site. And hopefully it's a really great way for you to just make a simple website and be done, you know? Yeah, just want to make it easy to sell some stuff. And it doesn't have any shop functionality in it, which is done intentionally because you can do that through other platforms. Maybe you need to sell it on Marketplace for one thing, and you need something else to be sold on eBay because you need to ship it, but you don't want to ship it on Marketplace, you know? So then you can point people to the information here, and it's just going to help everybody have a clearer understanding of what you're selling. And hopefully I imagine that would translate to them wanting to buy it if they knew better what to expect. So, and it's just kind of fun to have all your stuff organized if you're like me. Anyway, great. Thank you. This is another Minim site by Minim Design Company. And if you want it, it can be yours for a one-time fee. and it's very low price. Check it out. All right. Have a great day.